Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Laifa. If you're stopping by for the first time, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Thank you so much for tuning in today. So as you can see, today's setup is different because I'm actually filming from my studio today. I'm on my way for a friend's birthday and I was like, let me just do this video today so I can rock this week for my event. So I'm rocking this sequin dress. Who knows where this dress is from my birthday last year. I just realized like I haven't worn this since my birthday, and this is almost my birthday. October 25th is my birthday, by the way. I'm so excited. Like I love birthdays so much. So this is the hair I'm going to be rocking today. The hair is from AliGrace hair. So what is special about this video today is that this is actually a Upart wig. Yes, you heard me right, a Upart wig. I remember when Upart wigs were a thing. That was like Tiara Monet time. Like I remember the first Upart wig I ever saw was from Tiara Monet. Am I pronouncing her name well? Yeah. And Pickmill. Did Pickmill do one? I can't remember, but I never tried them. So it's coming back. It's coming back. It's just funny how fashion is, like something might go out of fashion and then come back years later. So anyways, that's the deal with this hair. So it's from AliGrace hair. I've worked with AliGrace before. They have great hair. I've seen so many reviews from AliGrace and their hair seems to be bomb. So it came with a wig cap, but I'm not going to be needing that. So I already braided my hair. I could do it myself, but I actually got someone to do it for me. Neka, my assistant, she helped me do this weaving. So you pretty much have to weave this like this, or you can actually do it like this. It doesn't really matter, but what matters is to have the small plaits just beside the leave out. So this is my leave out, and let me see. I'm not actually open this hair to see if it's kinky or silky, because if it's kinky, it's not going to work for. Okay, it's not kinky. So yeah, this is the hair straight out of the packaging. I don't think this is going to work for someone with natural hair. My hair is relaxed, so yeah, there's that. So this is the wig right here. Yes. So let me show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so it actually has a lace in between them. So I'm supposed to cut it off. I'm just going to cut off the lace. You can use scissors or blade. Blade is what's closest to me right now. So I'm just going to cut that off. So I've gone ahead to cut it, and you can see that it comes with clips. So I'm going to be using those clips to clip it on these two plaits I have here. I'm just going to take this and clip it in. Oh, these plaits are so tight. So that really hurts. Ooh. Oh, damn, that hurts. I'm not even going to lie to you. I don't think you should use plaits that you just made to do this hair. All right, so neck has killed me. I told her this thing was too tight. Okay. Oh, guys, you see how my brush is just going through this hair. Now I'm gonna take my leave out and flat iron it so it can merge with the Upart wig. So don't forget to take a little hair to cover the back, not just the sides. You see, I'm sure by now you guys can tell why I don't like to do a middle part. I can only manage to do a middle part when I'm wearing a frontal or a closure. But now that I have a leave out, do you see my ogo? my forehead. We call this ogo in Nigeria. I'm just going to run the hair straightener through the hair. I look so different with this hairstyle. What do you guys think? Ooh, that's so hot. I need to buy gloves for when I straighten and curl hair. Guys, guess who's here? Your favorite girl, Dobra. Dobra, say hi.
Hi guys.
This day, Dobra has informed me, team no makeup, team I'm beautiful, I don't need makeup. Ouch, Dobra.
Sorry.
This thing is painful.
Sorry.
This girl wants to, please don't burn my face. So, hey. Dobra is a hairstylist, in case I didn't tell you guys. So if you are coming to Nigeria, if you are in Nigeria, book my baby girl bridal hair, wigging, styling, whatever. My girl has got you. But the right is in my ogo.
Okay.
Serious ogo. I think I should have done this in a side part. I think this would have looked better. What do you think side part would have looked better on me?
Yeah? No, I like center part.
Center part looks good on you. Dobra loves straight center parts.
Yeah, I love
that's like I did one fine hair. I don't know if you guys watched my video where I did a blonde hair on Dobra. I thought she would carry that hair for her birthday. My girl loosened it. That she wants straight center parts.
Well, that hair was a straight hair.
No, but I mean like black and middle part. Was it middle part I did for you in that video? Okay, you don't like blonde hair.
I like bold. I just wanted to this my wig. My wig is very nice on me, that's why. Stand.
Yes, ma'am. It's sleek. We are so late for my friend's birthday. Late is an understatement because today is Sunday. Today is the Big Brother finale. And I was thinking that because we still have curfew in Lagos, 12 a.m. and all of us went out last week Sunday. I didn't think the curfew was still serious, so we came back like past 12. If you see how many checkpoints, like they were literally using us to make money. If you don't pay, you will not pass. So today there is the Big Brother finale. There's an after party, so a lot of people are going to be there. And I know they will not want to leave early, so I already foresee police catching a lot of people today. So I know this is my natural hair and you don't think it will make any difference, but trust me, it will make a whole lot of difference. So I'm going to take my powder shade on an angled brush and use it to emphasize my pattern. I don't know if you guys can see that, but trust me, it makes a difference. So now I'm going to take a toothbrush and a hair wax. So this hair wax is from, I'm not sure. So I'm just going to use this to slick it down. So I'm also going to be doing my baby hairs. I don't have my mirror that I usually put in front of me, so this is quite a task. Alright guys, so this is the hair all done and it's not so bad, but I hope with these few points of mine I've been able to convince you that I do not have front hair. For everybody that seems to think my front hair is so plenty, my front hair just happens to come all the way down here, but like it's not full. But if you had a fuller hairline, this would come down a bit and you'll be able to bring out hair in front and hair in the middle and then blend it together. I don't know if that makes sense, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm about to go and slay hard right now. I look cute too. The rap praise me now, compliment me small. I look pretty. I'm looking like melanin queen. I'm giving off melanin queen vibes.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, so that's pretty much the end of this video. So like I said, the hair is from AliGrace hair. You know, this is really convenient because you know how wigs give you a headache because it's like dragging all your skull, but this one is just, I don't know, it's just easier. this is easier than fixing your hair, obviously. Like, you could just put this on in 5 minutes and you're good to go. So you're going to be seeing me rocking this often, but the next time I rock it, I'm going to be weaving my hair for a side part, not a middle part. I'm not going to try it again. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. I'm feeling myself. Oh, excuse you, who's this damsel? And I'm obsessed with these new lashes that I got. It's from Amenze Beauty in the style Laifa. Nobody paid me or anything, but I just love them. I really, really, really love the lashes. They're so flattering. Ooh. Okay, I'm just vain in this video. I'm sure people that are just watching me for the first time is like, who's this vain child? But if I don't feel myself, who will? Who will? So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to leave all the details of the hair in my description box below. So yeah, thank you guys. Oh, I forgot to mention, the Upart wigs is not only straights. So they are different. If you have naturally curly hair, you can get a Upart curly hair. So if your hair is straight, there's kinky Upart curly wig. So I think this is really, why did it go out of style though? Like, it's so easy. It's so easy. I'm going to be rocking this for the next couple of days, so stay tuned. So I'm gonna go have fun right now that I'm done talking in this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so much. We are almost at 200k, so please subscribe if you haven't already. Let's get me to 200k before my birthday, please. Best birthday gift ever if I get to 200k before my birthday. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.